You're very bad. Thank you very much. I just want to eat.
All right, well, let's try to play some money for it real quick then.
How do you do that?
Let's put this chicken right here. You see?
Okay.
Yeah, just do this real quick. Oh, I just lost. Let's try one more time, though.
Oh,
Let's
no.
try one more time. All right, I won. No drugs?
No, oh fuck no. I used to run MMA, Montana Narcotics Officers Association.
What happened?
No, I just ran 4 Dakotas, or both Dakotas, and 3 other ones, and that's what I do.
Are you homeless right now?
Yeah, right now I am for like the next week.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it really sucks. I look like hell. You're very bad. Thank you very much. You want to give me, Nah, I was going to give you my number, but I'll wait.